Okay, finished product. The part that everybody on YouTube that does videos has a hard time with is this, the nut plate behind there. It's literally a 2-minute job once you get everything done. Put the entire plate on, all the bolts on, even these, because you're going to take them off later on to put the cross member on, but just put it in so everything fits perfectly. The holes will line up so you don't have to deal with holding the plate. Then you just slip the nut plate in here to this one, the one that's closest. Super simple. And once you get it going, you're never going to lose it. Then you pivot over and add this one. Literally takes about 2 minutes to get this whole thing done. This is the toughest part. Once you drill the holes, trying to get this to fit. Now you want to do it this way. That is the hole that it's going to go through. Everybody fools around with it trying to get this placed up there, but don't do that. Just put the entire thing on where it's supposed to be. Make sure the holes are clear, and when you put this in, put it in like this. Now you're going to take the bolts out. Put it in like this. You can control it to get it over this hole by keeping this over here. You get this bolt run, and then you just pivot it over and it goes in really simply. Okay, the plate is on and it's just barely snug, but I made sure that these go right through perfectly so I can just fit everything on. Now this is going to be fed in, so I want it to be like this, and that way it'll pivot down. So just lay it up there. And now you can actually see that it's coming through right there. So I'm just going to grab it with a little sharp instrument, bring them over, and then I'm going to start the bolt. And then I'm just going to, once you get that bolt, then you just pivot this over. I can't do it with the phone in my hand, but it's simple. It's going to take me like 2 minutes. I'll be done.